The good thing about this patient, quote unquote, Miss Judith, was she was open to renouncing the occult, the ingestion of the stone, and she wanted to return to confession and restart her sacramental life. So what happened? Here's the continuation of the story. We actually went to her house. Since I was not an official deliverance minister, I invited a friend who specifically trained for that. During the pray over session and the blessing of her apartment, I personally sensed a young girl under the staircase throwing coins. But I kept that to myself, my dear friends. I did not tell anyone. I thought I was just imagining. After the session, I shared this with my friend and I said, you know what? I had this image in my head of a young girl under the staircase throwing coins. And the deliverance minister was really shocked and she told me, you know what you saw in your head, what you heard in your head, I actually saw it. There was really a young girl crying and throwing coins right below the staircase, and he told me that there are a lot of entities in this house which was clearly infested.